The planet Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system. It is the seventh planet from the Sun and 2.6 billion kilometers away from Earth. Uranus is an ice giant. Temperatures on Uranus can reach -224 degrees Celsius, making it the coldest planet in the solar system. Uranus gets its blue-green color from a gas called methane in its atmosphere. Stopwatch is equal to 1000. Uranus has 13 rings, the only planet in the solar system, other than Saturn, that does so. The inner rings are narrow and dark, and the outer rings are brightly colored and easier to see. Uranus is unusual because it is lying on its side, the only planet in the solar system to do so. Uranus is named after the ancient Greek god of the sky, Uranus. Uranus is the only one of the planets in our solar system to be named after an ancient Greek god. With the exception of Earth, the other planets are all named after Roman gods and goddesses. One day on Uranus is about 17 hours long. Uranus takes a long time to orbit the Sun. 1 year on Uranus is the same as 84 years on Earth. Uranus has 27 moons. The moons closest to Uranus seem to be made of ice and rock. We know very little about the outer moons of Uranus. Very little is known about Uranus' 27 moons. While other planets and moons have names that come from mythology, Uranus moons are named after characters by writers William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Only one spacecraft has visited Uranus. NASA's Voyager 2 probe reached the planet after a 9-year journey and gathered lots of information about the planet, its rings and moons in 6 hours. In 2011, NASA's New Horizons probe passed the orbit of Uranus on the way to Pluto. Unfortunately, Uranus wasn't nearby at the time. Photographs of Uranus taken by NASA's Voyager 2 probe. The image on the left has been corrected to show the planet as our eyes would see it. The image on the right is the original picture sent back to Earth by Voyager 2. A mixture of 2 photos of Uranus taken by NASA's Voyager 2 probe and the Hubble Space Telescope. You can see a bright burst of light called an aurora move across the planet's surface. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.